trolling, baby. Look at that. Trolling. Motor's working really good. Let's cross the lake, the river. Beautiful day today. Crossing the river. Look at that. Just roam all the way around. See what the river looks like, and then we'll start fishing. Beautiful day. Alright, so we're finally got our kayak launch right here at my favorite honey hole, Salt River. It's quiet today. I'm out with my buddy Jay in the other part of the river, trying to see what's out there. So I'm sticking to my hot spots. Try to get some going here. It's early, 8 o'clock. Got the lunch about 8:15. So let's see what we get. Oh yeah, another big mama. Got him good. All right, we got another one. Right here, baby. Come on. But this is the 8th one already. Biggest one was 3.5. There you go. There you go, people. Nice one. It's about maybe a 2-pounder. I'll let him go. We got him good, baby. Do that again. Look at that, we got a big one. All right, we gotta get out of this muck here. And that is a big one. All right, look at that. Gonna be another 5-pounder. Let's get out of this tree. Knew we were gonna be in that. Ooh, shit. There you go. Got it on hook. Look at that, baby. Alright, we're gonna have to weigh this mug. Get her weight. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. He is looking at 324, 326 right there. 326. Lock it up. Let's take a picture. Alright, let's take a picture right here. That's an ugly mug. 326, baby. Hey. Woo! Let him go. 326. Thank you, Mama. Right there. Thank you, Mama. Yep. Got him good. Good to the hood, baby. Oh, slow down. All right. You got him good right there. Nice. I'd say about 1.5 pounds. Okay. Let him go. There she is. Yes, they're playing in the shade today. Got ourselves another tap right there. Another one tapping it. See if we'll get a commitment. He tapped it. You got him. You got him. Ooh, small one. We got him though. Alright, enough. Got a nice small one. He barely tapped it. Didn't even notice it. Ow. Alright, looks like this one we gotta cut off because he swallowed it. Yeah, it's pretty deep. So we gotta cut him loose. Save this one. Okay, enough. Gonna cut you loose. Here, gotta cut him loose. There you go. Grow bigger, baby. Grow bigger. Alright, we gotta retie. We have to retie. Trying to make him commit. He dumped it. I think we got him. Hey, got him. Yep, got him. Oh yeah. Oh, another good one. Another good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. He's a splasher. Another good one. Well, we gotta get you good, baby. Come on down here. Come on down here. Gotcha. Got you good right there. Another good one. Ooh, they're barely tapping it too. Look at that baby. barely tapping it. Get our glasses off so we can get the hook out. Whew. Where'd you go? There you go. All right, good one right there. Save. Forgot to measure him. We'll get the next one though. We will get the next one. Forgot to measure that one. Oh, they're barely tapping that one. Alright, so we just released one 2.5 pounder. I forgot to turn on this video, but we'll get them again. We're not skunked. There they go. Right there on that spot. We'll leave you on this time. We'll leave you on this time. It's a nice chunky one. Got it on the other camera though. So if we get some more. That was a beauty. Right on that spot. That was a fresh one too. Didn't see any marks on his lips, so got him good.